ты можешь вот так вот рукой держать, чтобы...
You give it to them, Sophia. You give it to him. He's hungry.
Держи яблоко.
Can I give you? Can you give me one? I will feed the llama. Give me. Wait a moment. She's still eating.
Скажи, я буду желудей собирать. Что? Я буду желудей собирать. Только
She
если
like to eat
они
apple.
и для меня, и для тебя.
Mr. Llama is eating apple. What's the name of this one, Sophia?
Яблоки.
Niet. What's the name of llama?
Лама.
No. What?
Мурик.
Murik. Hello, Murik. Murik. I will feed llama. Murik. Here, Murik. He cannot eat.
Oh, my, look, it's there. Well.
What is it? It's a dragonfly. Llama.
Well, you said in Philippines you eating dragonfly.
Huh? Who told you? You're joking me. I don't tell. Llama.
Well, you said you eating snail.
There is other who eat snails.
Are you eating snail?
I don't eat yet snail. I eat snake already.
Snake!
Yes.
Они змеи едят.
I eat already snake. It's yummy, the snake, like chicken. Sophia, the snake is very yummy, like chicken. Yes, it's true. Why is it? Bleh, it's yummy. Unica, you give it.
Yummy.
And I eat already turtle, Sophia. Da. Stay, don't go in there. It's very dangerous, Sophia. You go in the other side, and in the other side, it's very dangerous. Huh?
Chicken.
What chicken?
I eat chicken and rice. I eat pasta and meat.
Da, I know. I cook for you, da. Sophia, we need to go home, Sophia.
Me can spoon.
I can.
I can fork. Do like this with pasta and
Bye bye, Llama.
meat.
Is he finished eating? Llama. He eat all.
Maybe give this.
No, it's already full. He eat already full up. 4 apple.
This very big llama.
Llama. Why you?
Mel, give. Mel,
Huh?
give for it.
Give me. How can he eat the leaves? Oh, kanina to. He doesn't eat.
Which way?
Yeah, I think he's kicking. He do it like this. Oh. He will kick. I don't know. Murik! Murik, Murik! Murik! Sophia, there's a car, ha? Sophia, car. Murik! Ayay, ayay, ayay. Murik! Murik! Murik, Murik! Murik! Niet, maybe. Why you have very dirty head, Murik? Murik. No, no, enough already.
No.
Nalabat.
Very big tongue.
Ito daw.
More.
Nyetok.
You want more?
We will go home already.
You
Sige.
want more?
No. Stop.
No. No.
Stop.
I not stop. Because he want to more.
Murik, Murik. Bye-bye. Bye, Murik. Sophia. We need to go home. There's many car, ha? Murik, Murik.